क्या हम केवल और केवल गेम्स खेल के क्रिप्टो और एनएफटीज के थ्रू पैसे कमा सकते हैं? मतलब ज़ीरो इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड जो सबसे पसंदीदा चीज़ है हमको करने की वो है गेम्स। गेम्स खेल के क्या हम क्रिप्टो कमा सकते हैं? इज़ अ क्वेश्चन दैट कैन कम टू योर माइंड एंड फॉर एग्जैक्टली दिस आई एम हियर इन दिस वीडियो. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can earn free crypto and NFTs, which can, if you find someone which is very rare, you can actually go ahead and for that you can get how much? You can get hundreds of thousands of dollars as well. But it's not that easy. I'm not saying कि एकदम easy है और आपको एक दिन के अंदर सब कुछ हो जाएगा. But yes, game खेल के भी crypto earn किया जा सकता है. There were two other videos in before this where I've talked about how you can earn free crypto. You're just filling out surveys or doing tasks. That was the first video. And the second video was if you are someone जिसको पढ़ने में बहुत मज़ा आती है या फिर you are someone who writes articles on blockchain, can you be paid from that? So we have already discussed that पिछले दो videos में, and in this video we are going to discuss game खेल के कैसे cryptocurrency कमाई जा सकती है. If you are first time in this channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that every time मैं जब नई नई videos लेके आऊँ you're able to get those notifications. So that's something, and also the bell icon so that you're notified as soon as I bring in a video. Now going ahead and understanding or seeing what exactly और या फिर हम कैसे ये चीज़ें कमा सकते हैं जैसे कर सकते हैं. तो जो पहला गेम है विच इज़ टाउन स्टार. अब टाउन स्टार इज़ अ गेम जो बिल्कुल फार्म विला, इफ़ यू हैव एवर प्लेड फेसबुक पे फार्म विला खेलते थे, कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था, अपने पैसे और टाइम यहाँ लगाते थे. ना टाउन स्टार इज़ वन सच गेम where you can go ahead, where you can play this game exactly like completely something which is just like exactly what, which is exactly like Farmvilla. And if you are someone who liked that, this is something where you can go ahead, you can play this game. If you will see on this game, you will first of all एक तो यहाँ पे to corroborate कि मैं ये सच बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं, you can see that these things that you're mining, so if you are from among the top 200 sellers, you get a chunk of whatever the distribution is. Apart from that, whenever you are going ahead and you're creating something, so here you can see you can buy these in the, from cryptocurrencies. So if you can buy it, you can also sell it in your account. So इसके through you can earn free cryptocurrencies. So this is one way in which you can go ahead and you can make good amount of money, obviously through cryptocurrencies. Obviously investment is zero, you're not putting in any money, but you are still getting something out in the form of cryptocurrencies. So that is the first game that I wanted to tell you. And is there any other game? Absolutely there is. So if I go ahead and if I talk about Lost Relics. So Lost Relics is basically a game where it's which is an RPG game. And इस game में आपको what you exactly have to do is you have to go out in quests and you have to complete those quests. And when you're completing those quests, this is something where you go out and win cryptocurrencies again. So this is not just cryptocurrencies. You also get some tokens and some rare collectibles which are out there. Like if I show you here, यहाँ पे देखें, if you will see, so these are collectibles which are out there, which you can go ahead and you can trade inside the game. This whole platform is blockchain based and it is powered by Engine token. And here you can simply see that you can go ahead and you can trade those tokens, and you can earn free Engine coins. So this is something which you can go ahead and do. And here every week, a lot of people every week are earning hundreds of dollars just by playing and collecting these kinds of items. And if you find something which is an NFT, which is a little bit rare to find, you can go ahead and you can sell it on the Indian marketplace or in the OpenSea platform, and from there you can earn good amount of money. So that is there. And this platform also has something which is super rare, which is like the founders token NFT, which is very much costly and which can fetch you a good amount of money. And there are literally some such NFTs out there in this, which are something which you will have to most probably play a lot to find out. But अगर आप इतना खेल के इसको ढूंढ लेते हैं, so these may sell out in the market for a couple of $1,000s as well. People have done it. There are some people who have played this game and who have been able to go ahead and who have been able to earn cryptocurrencies to the tune of thousands of dollars. So these are the two games which you can go ahead and play. And game खेलते खेलते without any investment, zero investment, you can go ahead and earn NFTs and crypto tokens, which you can go out and sell and earn free money. So this is the third video which I've brought out. If you have any questions, कोई भी क्वेश्चन है कि कैसे खेलना है या क्या करना है या एन कैसे ओपन सी में सेल करनी है एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, गो अहेड एंड राइट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू असिस्ट यू इन दैट एंड let's make free money. Again, if you like this video, go ahead and like it and go ahead and share it if you feel that थोड़े दोस्तों को भी मदद कर देनी चाहिए. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.